Hello there. I managed to score a few pieces of foam board last week and I've cut them up into various sizes. Sorry, I know it doesn't look like it's cut very well, but it's just for me to practice with my hairdryer, blow dryer swipes. So today I have decided to use up some leftover bits and pieces of paint along with the white house paint, of course. And I am just going to drizzle this into the middle and then blow over it with the hairdryer. Okay, so I will now make a spout in the cup and do my pour. Well, I got some little lumpy bits in there. I've removed what I think is most of them, but I'm actually quite surprised because I made up these paint bits, leftover bits. I put them all into the one cup last night, and yeah, I never noticed any lumps as I was putting them in, so I don't know whether it's a mix of something in there that's formed them. But anyway, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to now put the white around the edge again to form a pillow of white paint so that I can then use the dryer over it. Right, some of those lumps are showing up quite drastically, so what I'm going to do is I am going to swipe them right off, and then just continue with the picture. Well, that certainly wasn't what I was aiming for, but so far I like what I'm seeing. I'm going to add a little more colour and just wiggle it into the into what I've got here, because I know that it looks pretty muddy at the moment, but I actually like the streaks and things that I'm getting on here, so yeah. Certainly is different. I can see another small lumpy piece I missed. I'll just get that with my tweezers. I probably did not manage to scrape all of them off because there are quite a few of them. All I can think of is that I have had dried bits of paint on the side of one of the containers, and when I've tipped the colour in, I think it might have been the blue, it has, yeah, taken bits in with it. So that is the colour that I'm now going to add, is more blue. I just want to put more blue into it. And as I add the blue, I am going to use the dryer at the same time so that I am adding and blowing. This one is ultramarine blue. And I'm just going to add it from the pot as it's a really good consistency. Doesn't appear to be any lumps in this one. That will do. I'm having so much fun doing this. I love that piece in there with the copper and a little bit of the magenta. The rest is a little on the muddy side, which is normal when I just keep doing this. But overall, I'm quite pleased with that. I'll bring it up a little closer so you can see. It is quite pretty. It's got the magenta and the copper and the blue, the ultramarine blue. There's a little bit of black, which of course mixed with the grey and made it a little bit on the muddyish side. But no, overall I think that is rather nice. So, right, that's it for today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.